Okay, so this week I've given myself a crash course in electronics, basic electronics. So the idea was to get this simple flashing LED circuit off the breadboard and onto a soldered strip board, but it's a different layout. So that's a quick rough drawing that I did of the breadboard circuit for the stripboard circuit. That there is a much neater drawing that I've used to build the circuit onto stripboard, and there is the circuit on the stripboard. The exact same circuit as that, but permanently soldered onto some stripboard. So yeah.